7 engaging ways to teach reading. Number 1.
And say the sound. Ah. And then the next one. Say it a little faster. Ah. What does that sound like? Ah. You read your first word? See what you did? Now take your card.
Mat.
Good job! Yay! Down here a little longer. Sing it.
Map.
What word?
Map.
You're reading! Oh my gosh! Good.
Number 2.
You up. It has to stay in the grass. It's a grass letter. There's letters that are sky letters, grass letters, and dirt letters. Do you want me to show you what a sky letter is? Yeah. Look. H is a sky letter because it goes in the sky. And you want me to show you a dirt letter?
Yeah.
G is a dirt letter because it hangs in the dirt. So today we're working on U, and U is a grass letter. So we're gonna practice doing some of our writing, okay? So we're gonna practice writing our U in the grass. So I'll show you, and then we're gonna do it together. Okay. You're gonna say U up, okay? Let's do it together, and then you're gonna do one on your own.
U up.
Good job. Now do you wanna try one on your own?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
U up.
Good job. Look at you. You're writing now. Good work.
Number 3.
Trying to spell the word it, I'll go it. It. Which letter should I find? Oh, it. It. You're going to spell at. What sounds do you hear? At. Okay, so what's the first sound you hear in at? Pull it down here. And then what's the next sound? At. There you go. Your spell word sat. We want to s. Now look what that says. Sat. Okay. Now.
Sat.
Good job. Sap.
Sap.
What letter are we missing there? Sap. Good job. And now
Sap.
what? Good.
Number 4.
Sib.
Now we have to stretch out that I. Okay, so tap what each time.
Side.
Yes, and see how we're stretching that? So we're making it say its long sound.
Sob.
Okay, now we're going to put the E there. Okay, let's use our stretchy band.
Sob.
Yes, this is our key. This is the ticket. Good job.
I could have.
Number 5.
Listen to how he sounds. Thin. Good job. Now what does it say?
Fin.
Get rid of the N. What goes here? Fim.
I gotta reach it.
Oh, there you go. Go ahead and put that down. What does that say now?
Fin.
Fim. Now we're going to change it from fim. Rim. Good job. Now what does this say?
Rim.
Rim. Now we're going to change it from rim to ram. What goes there that makes ah? Good job. And now what does this say?
Ram.
Ram to Sam. Wait, Sam. And what does that say?
Sam.
Good job. Your spell.
Number 6.
Good job. Nice try. You can flick with your finger like that. Oh, good job, see? Good job. Find it. I want you to say B, and you have to try to score it in the net. You gotta flick it. Oh, nice try. Oh, goal. Good job.
Number 7.
Where? Jump out the sounds for where.
There.
Okay, run to the Elkonin boxes and map it. Letter names out loud.
WHERE.
And what does it say?
Where.
Good.